Hey guys, so I just got my shipment in of Ningxia Red. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys and tell you a little bit about Ningxia Red and why I love it so much. All right, so I just got them open. So I bought the 2 bottles and I just want to tell you a little bit about them. So Ningxia Red is made with the Wolfberry fruit, which is super healthy for you. It's actually one of the highest antioxidant fruits. So if you are familiar with the ORAC score, if you're not, just go look it up. It measures basically how powerful an antioxidant is. So the Wolfberry measures at 36,000. For instance, or comparison, a pomegranate is around 10,000 and blueberries are 2,400. So it's really, really high in antioxidants, super powerful. It actually has more beta carotene than carrots. It has more calcium than cauliflower, more vitamin C than oranges, and it has 18 amino acids and 21 essential minerals. So it's really good for you. It actually tastes really good too. It's best served cold, and make sure you shake it up. That way it can mix because it is a puree. And then also you really only need to take 1 to 2 ounces at a time. So the Wolfberry has actually been scientifically studied and found to improve vision, to reduce inflammation, decrease cholesterol by 52%, decrease triglycerides by 71%, and increase your HDL, which is your good cholesterol, by 58%. And then it also has been found to decrease blood pressure. So definitely give it a try if you want to. It tastes really good in my opinion. I really like it. So I'm super excited to have this in my morning and nightly routine. And I'm gonna look up some really good recipes too, and I'll share those with you guys.